If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Costco with the ticker symbol COST. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for the donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first cover what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Costco, and just back in early to mid-April, Costco was near its all-time highs right around the 607 level. So I'll put a horizontal line there. We saw a sudden drop-off from the 608 level all the way down to the $400 level in less than pretty much a month. About a month it took that drop to occur. Then obviously we got a bounce up because we were oversold. We came back to test the previous support, which looks like now has turned into resistance. I'll show you guys that right now. Previously, this 483 level was support in the past. You can see that we got 3 touches here, saw a massive dump, came back to the breakout level and found resistance 3 times. So there's a triple top right here. See, this was a high right here. Then we made another test of this level, got a resistance, sold off, and now we just made a triple test of this level, and again we're seeing resistance and sellers come in the market. Aggressive sellers bring the market down. So there was this micro channel in play, but we already had a breakout side of it and a new high, triple test, pretty bearish. And also there was this breakout of this downtrend channel, which we have not had a new low of. So it looks like we had a micro channel play out, a triple test of a previous support. Looks like we're seeing sellers come in the market, and we're due for a new low of this downtrend because it's the first break. So there are multiple reasons why we should just continue lower from here and go back down to the $400 level and maybe even exceed it. But you can see that we are finding a little bit of support for the EMA. So if we do just continue higher for some low probability reason, we can make probably 2 legs up. And the target for Costco would be right at the 527 level, 528 level. So that's the target for the upside. If we do just continue higher from here, if we break that 490 level, most likely we're probably just going to continue higher. Now it looks like we're finding resistance. Looks like Monday was a large selling day. Tuesday was not a lot of follow through, so we'll have to see. Tuesday was a large selling. Wednesday was not a lot of fall through. Tomorrow we still have 2 more days left in this week. Could be pretty bearish for this week if we do continue lower for Thursday and Friday. So honestly, to me, this looks like a continuation of the downtrend. We should be making a new low fairly soon. Once this price action starts to continue to drop, I think this $400 level will be knocked out, and we'll see new lows for this downtrend. So in my eyes, this looks pretty bearish. I see more bearish signs than bullish signs, so I'm expecting lower prices for Costco. So that's everything I see on the daily chart. Let's go wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Costco. It looks like this week is red, but again, it's not done forming, but most likely will close as red. If we do start selling off, I think we're going to make a new low of this downtrend, just because it looks like this could be a long trap, and we just pull back near the EMA because we were oversold. So I'm looking for I'm looking for lower prices. Now this target I would just take with a grain of salt. It's very aggressive, but if we do just drop below that $400 level and we just continue traveling lower, there might be a possibility to reach that 284 level. We had a very large drop from April to May. If we experience something like that again, it's going to be at the 284 level before we see a retracement back up to the EMA. So we could get there fairly quickly if we see the same type of drop occur back to the 284 level, which is near the 2020 lows. Which is also the target for a bunch of other stocks that are just as large, and looks like price already is trading at that level. It looks like some stocks A lot of stocks are near the 2020 lows or even surpassed it, even large household names. So it looks like Costco is holding up pretty well. It's always very busy when I go, so I'm pretty sure we might not see a complete retracement back down to the 2020 prices, but I'm at least by expecting that 391 level to be reached. Looks like they want to reach that 391 level or 387 level, and then we could probably look for some type of bottom to form. So that's everything I see for Costco on the daily and weekly charts. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.